Kiki. Get it, bird. Don't let them birds fool you. Look at her.
Yep. She's going back there. We're gonna have a problem here. Melissa's gonna get back on the wires. Kiki, get out of there. She thinks she can sneak up on it from the side. She's gonna knock
Okay.
the Roku thing down if she don't be careful.
Hey, stop.
She
Get them.
says, oh, it's frozen. I might be able to get it now.
Kiki. Get the bird. Get him.
That
Get that
tail
cat.
is something else.
Get it, kitty.
Aw. Yeah, you got him now. You got him. You get 10 points. That's the Roku. You get 10 points. Yeah, don't fall off, kitty. Jeez. Cat's gonna scare me. Look, there's a black bird like you. Blackbird.
It's your doppelganger.
Edge of night.
Get it, kitty.
There's a
Get that bird.
blackbird.
Get that bird.
Oh, a white
That's a
squirrel.
squirrel.
What a pretty squirrel. The tail comes out of the squirrel. Just like she did that, like she pulled it out. That's funny.
You're a smart kitty. Wink, wink.
She's like, they gotta be back here somewhere.
Where'd y'all put these animals?
Huh?
Y'all got these animals trapped in this TV. It's a good kitty. That's a good kitty. Oh, what's it doing? Nope.
Squirrel over. Look, here comes a bird.
Well, you can get that one. It's little.
She would have fun outside, but she'd probably die, so.
Yeah, we like her alive. She's more entertaining that way.
Oh, she flew away, Kiki. She flew away. She flew away, Kiki.
That's all, folks.
Oh, there's